Paul Cunningham asked if I'd make a video on how to swap out a 5069 module. And the first thing we need to do is turn the power off because these are not hot swappable. And even if you do have a module that is hot swappable, unless there's a compelling reason not to turn the power off, just go ahead and turn the power off. A couple things is, first of all, we have to consider whether it's a hazardous environment. The other thing is there is a checkbox that you can check to say fault the PLC if the module's not present. And it doesn't matter if it's hot swappable or not. If somebody checks that box, your PLC is going to fault. Next, don't take your screwdriver and pry it right here. Get you a nice plastic pry bar, that way we don't maul it all up. And we'll pop that off. And then on the top of it, you have these plastic releases. And if you just press down, then it'll pop right back. But if you press down firmly, it'll actually latch that, and that releases the DIN rail. Then we can just grab the module, slide it right out, and you get your new module. And when you're doing it, make sure that you're in both of the grooves. So we have to be on the inside groove on the left and the outside groove on the right. You can slide the new module right in and then firmly press it in and then hit this release. And make sure that release goes all the way down. So if we press the release and it looks like that, that module is not fully seated. So just give it a little bit more press and it drops down. Now there are a lot of good diagnostics features in the 5069 modules, and probably if you're having to change one of them out, you probably need to know a little more about wiring them. And so here's our playlist with a few videos to help you out.